So this is on building 857. This is another bee job where the maintenance guys brought us to. It's about the same as the one on 867. All right, so here we are at the next bee removal job. We are in a apartment complex in Manassas, as you can see. Chris is about to take the gutter downspout out because they're right below. They're getting in at the fascia board or the trim board, getting right in there behind it. So we gotta just remove that gutter downspout so we can get access to it. We'll take that one board out, see how big the hive is. More to come. All right, so Chris is taking the trim board off. As you can see, the bees are right there. They're a little angry right now. As you can see from the comb, it's dark, which means these bees have been here for a while. We don't know how far back it goes right now, but as soon as we start taking them out, we will find that out. More to come. We're just getting ready to take the comb out. As you can see, the bees are flying around a little bit. They're not too happy they're leaving bay at their house, but they're happy in their new home. Their new home is right here, ready to go. And then we were just informed that there's 4 bees around that corner over there. So once this job is done, we'll take the other ones out on another day. I guess they like these places.
Busy bees.
Alright, can I take those? I'll swap them. These are not happy that we're taking all the honey. Alright, so these are what we call open trusses. So the bees have made their home. As you can see, Chris is taking out the drywall. So you can see how big this hive actually is. It started way over on that other one. Now you can see that it goes back there. Probably goes back about 2 feet. And in some cases that's about 18 feet wide plus the hole that was over here where we started. So all the white comb is brand new comb, so this has been around for quite a while. So as you can see, now that Chris has stepped away, you can see the hive started in that left cavity because the comb is a lot darker, and then there's open trusses between them, so there's a hole back there. So now they've gone into the second cavity, and you can see on the third one a little bit harder to see because it's dark up there, but they've moved
But you got to check the back of that. Clean maybe on the back of that.
All right. All right, we're just about wrapping up. We've got all the comb out. A few straggler bees hanging out there. We just put the vacuum on top. Letting them settle down for a little bit. You can see we've got a few bees in there. We're trying to figure out where their new home is. All right, we're about done wrapping up. We're about wrapping up. Chris is gonna close the hole up. The box is up there. As you can see, the bees are starting to make their way into their new home. Here is all the honey that was accumulated that can't go back in the box, but the maintenance guys from the condo have already asked for some and enjoyed some of it. And we'll take the rest to the office. We'll be ready to finish up here shortly. Another successful bee removal. Got a few straggler bees still around, but all the rest of them have been vacuumed up. Chris is now going to caulk in all the seams just to make sure there's no more re-entryways for the bees. And we just moved the box from the ladder to the back of the bee mobile so we can transport it to the apiary. And we're about wrapped up with this one. The name of bee removal, just promised Handyman. Alright, got the downspouts back in place. The seam, everything's all caulked up. We are ready to go for the evening.